Now, members of Jamaica's four-man bobsleigh team are reveling in their success over the last 2 days of racing on the North American Cup circuit at Lake Placid in New York, where the quartet secured back-to-back gold medals to strengthen their bid for automatic qualification to the Milano Cortina Winter Olympic Games. However, both pilots Shane Pitter and brakeman Taekwondo Tracy conceded that the win comes as a relief after being disqualified in the two-man race over the weekend.
I would say a very small thing, but in the world of bobsled, not so much. You have a thing called burn vest, something that you wear underneath the suit that you can't even see. But for them, if you don't have that underneath, then it's grounds for disqualification, and that's what happened. I mean, I don't. I guess it was just the heat of the moment why I forgot, because on the cheer that I was getting ready, the burn vest was literally left laying on it. Put everything else on, and to be honest, it kind of hit me really hard, because it shouldn't have been something that I forgot, but it happened. Got past it, and we here today.
I know that we had to work really hard after that disqualification, and me and the boys gather up together as a team. We prayed before our race, and I saw that the guys were serious about it, and they really wanted to win, and that was the same intention for me. So we go out there and got 2 gold medals.